My name is Brian Hitchens. I was a student out here in 2006 and 2007. Then I became a body technician at a dealership here in town. I worked out there for about 12 years. Had an opportunity to come out here and give back to the college that gave me the opportunity to work in this industry, and I just wanted to give back. I just really like working on cars. Found out that I wasn't really the best at working on the engines and making them run necessarily, but I can repair the bodies and make them look a lot better after the collision. So I like giving the interaction with the students and giving the skills that I have learned over my years back to them to help provide them in the future have a good career and make a good living for them and for their families. The demand here locally for repair technicians, we get calls weekly for this area, for auto body techs, painters, preppers, detailers. We're really looking, they're really looking for entry-level technicians to replace the guys that are, I guess, older or getting ready to retire, and we're at a stage to where there's a lot of older technicians that are either retiring or moving out into or moving up, I should say, into like body shop manager positions, insurance adjusters, so forth. So the need for a tech is great in this area. And you can make a great living here. Even in Salina, we have body technicians here making $100,000 a year. And I think our students, we have students that have graduated the last 3 or so years that are making $60,000, $70,000 currently. So that's the start off rate is not necessarily as high, but the way you can move up and as quickly as you can move up in this industry is awesome. You don't need a whole lot of experience. You need, basically you need a good attitude, good work ethic, the ability to stay off your phone and be able to work. You have all those soft skills coming in, and we'll give you the rest. I've had students come in here that they didn't know what all the tools were and have never worked on a car before, and that's fine. In fact, the way we kind of look at it, the less you know, the less bad habits you have. We can teach you the right way, the correct way to do these tasks. Our age range, we've had anywhere from 16-year-olds to 16, 17-year-olds to, I think our oldest student that I have taught was in his mid to late 40s. So, and I'm sure there's been older gentlemen or guys that have come through here. If you're interested, you can, our website, you can get a hold of, my information is on there, email, my direct phone line is on there. You can get a hold of us through that way. You can get a hold of our recruiting department over in Building A, Ana. You can get a hold of her, and we can get a hold of you back. You can come out here and get a shadow and spend a day. We'll partner you up with one of our students, and you can spend a day with the student and see what it's like on their end, and to make sure that this is truly what you would want to do.